Hello everyone and welcome to Red, White, and Blue Woodworking, and today I'm going to show you how I made a tabletop out of oak for this oval shaped coffee table. So first I'll go over the wood choices I have. The client wanted a hardwood top, so I got red oak because that was what was available at Home Depot, and I bought it by the board foot because that was slightly cheaper. And this is 100.25 inches by 11.25 inches, and this is 50.25 inches by 7.25 inches, and the longest part of my coffee table is 50 inches, and the width of it at the longest point is 30 inches. So I have just enough to make a rectangle and use my jigsaw to make a rough cut around it, and then use a straight bit that follows along the frame of the coffee table, and that'll give me the perfect dimensions for this tabletop. So let's get to it. So after scribing the line of the table, I'm going to move over to using my jigsaw, and I'm going to leave about 1/4 of an inch extra around the entire table so I don't cut too much off. And I can also just come back with my flush trim bit and make sure it's perfect. So let's get to it. So I'm really glad with how it turned out. So far, I still have to sand, stain, and put polyurethane on it. But I was really surprised at how well the flush trim bit did against that metal. I put the tape around so I didn't scrape off the paint. and this thing is exactly the size I need it. So that's perfect. Now I've got to get to sanding, and I'll show you all a little bit of that, but I don't think it's super necessary to show you all a whole bunch of sanding, so I'll just do a short clip of me sanding it and which grain direction I'm using, going in, and I'll get to staining it. And I don't want to keep this video super long, so that's why I'm just going to try to show shorter clips and faster clips. So let's get to it. And of course, I forgot to click the recording button when I was staining, but I just used Minwax Dark Walnut Stain, and I just wiped it on with a cloth. And here I'm just doing the polyurethane. It's a clear satin, and again, I'm super sorry for forgetting to show when I was staining. Thank you all for watching, and please remember to subscribe if you like the content you are seeing. Sorry for the content delay. I have about 6 or 7 more videos I'm in the middle of creating right now. It's just a long process to get them to you. Sorry about that, and please remember to like the video if you like what you're seeing, so YouTube will start pushing my videos to a wider audience. Thank you again, and until next time.